Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to develop a rental property management system in Airtable. First up, you're going to want to create a new base. Think of the base as your main hub where you'll store all of your rental property data. The reason we do this is to ensure we have a dedicated place for all our property-related information. Once you've got your base, next up is creating tables for each category of data. This might include tables for properties, tenants, and maintenance requests. Now, why is this important? Creating separate tables allows us to organize our information in a way that makes it easily accessible and manageable. Now that we've done that, let's move on to linking these tables together. For example, you may want to link your properties to tenants or maintenance requests to specific properties. This helps us because it creates a relational database, which means we can easily track and visualize the connections between our different data categories. With our tables linked, the next step is to customize your fields. This might involve adding a checkbox field for maintenance requests to indicate whether they've been resolved, or adding a date field for lease start and end dates. Let me explain why this matters. By customizing our fields, we can ensure that our data is presented in a way that is most useful for us. Our final step is to create views. Views allow us to filter and sort our data in a way that helps us see the most relevant information. For example, you might create a view that shows only properties that are currently vacant. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By creating views, we're essentially creating custom lenses through which we can view our data, making it easier to manage our properties. And there you have it. You've just developed a rental property management system in Airtable. This system will help you streamline your property management tasks, making them more efficient and less time-consuming. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.